leader must have a vision. And leader must be able to travel in the unexplored path. And leader must have passion to accomplish the mission. Leader must be able to travel in the unexplored. Leader never travel a path already made. Leader must be able to travel into an unexplored path. Leader must know how to manage success and failure. I have seen a failure. When the failure occurs, how you have to become a leader, and you are becoming the leader only when you manage a failure. Leader must know how to manage a success and failure. Leader must have courage to take decisions, hundreds of decisions, thousands of decisions in the lifetime of a project. He must have courage to take. He or she should have courage to take decisions. Leader should have nobility in management. A big challenge. In management, you have to have a nobility. Every action of the leader should be transparent. Leader should work with integrity and succeed with integrity. That's the greatest point.
Sir, how did you become so great?
How did I become so great? That's the question. Well, which class you are studying?
4th.
What's your dream in life?
I want to become a singer.
Singer. Hindustani or Carnatic? Hindustani or Carnatic music? Any music?
Yeah, music.
Any music will become. Well, I don't know how became. I don't know. It's a relative terms. So I personally believe you must have a dream. Say, I must have a dream.
I must have a dream.
I must continuously acquire knowledge.
I must continuously acquire knowledge.
Hard work.
Hard work.
And perseverance.
And pursuance.
One should not be not afraid of problems.
Not afraid of problems.
Then you will be successful. Okay.